When you are looking for customized solutions for testing of electrical accessories, we want you to think of us as your first choice. We like to delight our customers by setting high goals in product quality and after-sales service. We are SCR Electronics, your one-stop solution shop in designing and manufacturing customized electrical test equipments and compliance verification benches for electrical products. In the business since 1975, we are proud to have retained 90% of our customers.
We understand that every customer is unique and needs singular attention for his specific needs. This is exactly what defines us at SCR Electronics.
Once the customer is assured of our care and the A-grade quality of our products and services, he reciprocates positively, and we cement what is a long-lasting, fruitful association.
We always go an extra mile to deliver quality solutions to our customers.
Our range of products include temperature rise and verification test benches for fuses and circuit breakers. We also make calibration test setups and phantom loads for energy meters. Our family of programmable safety testing equipments is comprehensive and includes our very famous portable high voltage tester ranging from 1 kilovolt to 75 kilovolts. We also make high current and high voltage injection trolleys, load banks for switches and sockets, and specialized material testing equipments, including glow wire testing apparatus, comparator tracking index tester, and millivolt drop tester. Our indigenously developed Windows-based testware for process automation and data analysis ensures a terrific human-to-machine software interface, putting us in a rare club of companies, offering a whole product in a true sense. The testing solutions are designed to conduct tests as per standards IEC, UL, BIS, DIN, and ASTM. It is not without reason that we have managed to serve several customers that include multinational companies, test laboratories, and top-grade engineering institutes. We give you several solid reasons to work with us. To begin with, we continue to be a customer-centric company and almost by reflex put your interest before anything else. It is also because we love our work above all else.
Our customized solutions are Windows-based and cost-effective, without any add-ons.
We have designed and manufactured products in our constant quest for offering solutions to the evolving needs of our customers. Our innovative streak is cemented by a tech-savvy R&D team of electrical and electronic engineers, a well-set team of servicing and wiring technicians. At SCR, we have offered low-cost solutions to several SMEs, thus helping them grow. Our prompt after-sales service, which ensures there is zero downtime to manage all your queries and issues, from simple to complex. In our 3-decade journey, we look ahead with a smile and revel in the thought that a bright future awaits us. A future that goes hand in hand with a fast-developing Indian economy that is reaching for the stars. It would give us immense pleasure to have you as one of our prized customers. Please feel free to contact us for any test and measurement solutions.